Good morning everyone, so I'm here with Tepper today and it's an exciting day on the farm because we're going to pick up a new tractor, but what will it be? Do you know?
I ain't got a clue, mate.
Neither do I. Let's go and see what happens. As I said before, we're off to go and pick up the tractor. So what we're doing on the farm, we've got a hire tractor on for this week just because it's our busiest week of the year. Basically we're doing a lot of the hay, all the little bales, big bales, most of them we're going to do this week. So yeah, we've got an extra tractor on the farm just to spread the workload really, and yeah, we're off to go and fetch it now. Hope you enjoyed the video guys. If you do, please give it a massive like, and if you want to see more stuff like this, please subscribe. Also don't forget, videos every Wednesday and Saturday at 9 AM. Cheers! So I'm just on my way home now in the hire tractor. If you haven't guessed already, it's a New Holland. So yeah, maybe you didn't guess, but yeah, it's a New Holland. It's a T6175 that we've got for the week, and it'll be the biggest tractor on the farm this week. Yeah, so let's see how it gets on. Hope you enjoyed the video guys.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard, cause you're in my space and now I'm so pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything, cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything, cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away. Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head, cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into win this gamble. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything, cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
So just on the way home now guys with the last load. Hope you enjoyed the little insight into our new hire tractor. I know I'm not the most technical person, so I can't give you all the details, so possibly I can get someone else on the farm to do that later on. But yeah, I'd just like to say a massive thank you for watching today guys. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a big like. You want to see more stuff like this, please subscribe. As well as that, I'm trying to do videos every Wednesday and Thursday now at 9 AM in the morning, so check them out. And also later on in the week I'm getting the ewes in to foot backs them and go through them just to check if anything's got a bad bag, so if you're interested in that, check it out. Cheers everyone for watching.